Are you having problems that your FC26 is lagging and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. This is how you can try to fix this problem. So firstly, go into your FC26, obviously the game, and then go into settings right here in the top left corner. And now on settings, just click on settings here again and click on game settings. And then you're going to scroll to where it says visual right here, as you can see. So this one right here, connection monitoring, it says contextual here for you. So if you're playing, for example, online and you see that your connection is bad, that might be also one of the reasons why it's lagging, just so you know. Like a big factor is your internet connection. But what it can also be is all of these overlays right here. So turn this one off, and so on. Like all of this right here should be off for you if it's lagging bad, because like all of these overlays right here will just mess up with your like game. It will take, or not mess up with your game, that's like wrong to say, but it will like take a lot of like processing powers, I guess, from your PS5, and that might also be one of the reasons why it's currently lagging for you. So try to turn a lot of this off right here, even the indicators here, as you can see, like just disable like as many as you possibly can, and try and go back and see if this fixes this issue. If it still is not working for you, to be completely honest, it is probably your Wi-Fi network. To be like almost like 9 out of 10 times it is the Wi-Fi network that is playing like messes around, and that is why it's lagging, if that makes sense, especially if you're playing online, obviously. And the only way to fix that is to try to connect directly to your PS5 instead of Wi-Fi. Just connect it through the internet cable into your PS5 instead if you can, and see if that can also fix this issue for you.